Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're diving into a tropical fruit that's not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious: guava. If you haven't made guava a regular part of your diet yet, you'll definitely want to after watching this video. We're going to explore the top reasons why you should be eating guava and how it can benefit your health. Let's get started. Guava is a tropical fruit native to Central America, but enjoyed all over the world. It's known for its sweet and tangy flavor, soft texture, and the fact that you can eat it whole, skin, seeds, and all. But what really sets guava apart from other fruits is its impressive nutritional profile. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, guava can do wonders for your health. High in vitamin C. One of the standout benefits of guava is its incredibly high vitamin C content. Did you know that just one guava contains more vitamin C than an orange? In fact, a single guava can provide over 200% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant boosts your immune system, helps your body fight infections, and even supports skin health by promoting collagen production. So, if you want to strengthen your immune system and keep your skin glowing, guava is an excellent choice. Rich in dietary fiber. Next, let's talk about fiber. Guavas are loaded with dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Eating guava can help regulate your bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support overall gut health. Just one guava can provide around 12% of your daily fiber needs. Plus, the fiber in guava can help you feel full longer, making it a great snack option if you're trying to manage your weight. So not only does guava taste great, but it also keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Supports heart health. Guava is also a heart-healthy fruit. It's rich in potassium and antioxidants, which help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. The fiber in guava can also help lower cholesterol levels by preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. Studies have shown that regularly eating guava can improve overall heart health by lowering blood pressure, reducing bad cholesterol, and increasing good cholesterol levels. So, adding guava to your diet could be a simple and tasty way to protect your heart. Blood sugar control. Now, for those of you managing diabetes or looking to control your blood sugar levels, guava might just become your new best friend. Guava has a low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. Plus, the fiber in guava helps slow down the absorption of sugar in your bloodstream. Several studies have suggested that guava can help improve blood sugar control, making it a great choice for diabetics. So, whether you're managing diabetes or just want to keep your blood sugar levels in check, guava is a smart choice. Skin and eye health. Last but certainly not least, guava is great for your skin and eyes. Thanks to its high levels of vitamin A, guava can help improve your vision and reduce the risk of eye disorders like cataracts and macular degeneration. And let's not forget about its impact on your skin. The antioxidants and vitamins in guava can help fight the signs of aging, reduce wrinkles, and give your skin a healthy, radiant glow. Eating guava regularly can help you look and feel your best, inside and out. So there you have it, 5 powerful reasons to make guava a regular part of your diet. From boosting your immune system and supporting heart health to improving your skin and eye health, guava truly is a superfruit. Whether you enjoy it on its own, in a salad, or blended into a smoothie, there are so many delicious ways to add guava to your meals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to FitLife Fusion for more health tips and food recommendations. Have any favorite guava recipes or tips for incorporating it into your diet? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.